Another thing that's really important about a DAPT is that it allows you to protect your own assets from your own creditors.
Yeah.
And I don't know if that's something that a lot of your clients raise as a concern. I think it's important for people to understand that there's limitations on that. There's essentially a 4-year statute of limitations before it's effective. And there are some creditors you can't avoid, like child support and that kind of thing. But in general, if you get ahead of the game, you can protect assets from your own creditors that might arise later.
I think the reality is as we grow our businesses, you have more risk, right? You're dealing with more clients. We have a lot of clients in the medical field. Obviously, there's a lot of risk in that space, and in basically every business today, from cybersecurity threats to you said this and no, I didn't.
Right.
So creditor protection and asset protection is a tremendous part of trust work. And, we've seen a lot of our clients execute on irrevocable trust strategies for no other reason than the creditor protection, potential that it provides. So I think, when we go through the pros and cons and we kind of list out, these are all the benefits, and you throw in, I'm removing growth of my, future growth from, my current estate and future estate taxation, and I still maintain access and control to a very great extent, and I gain creditor protection. So if somebody, an employee or a customer decides they want to potentially sue me, my asset isn't at risk.
Right.
It's a tremendous benefit.
Yeah. There's only so much you can insure against with an umbrella policy, or just through careful driving or what have you. Yeah. So that's great. That's good information. I think it's really important for people to be aware of and to know that it's not easy. It's complicated, but the benefits can be really substantial if you do it right and if you draft it carefully and all of those things.
Yeah, it can be costly, right?
Sure.
We're talking about getting a valuation done for the business.
Yeah.
Right? So we have to bring in a CVA, right? Somebody that's certified to do valuations.
Right.
There's cost associated with that. You're going to have legal costs in drafting the document, right? We're filing trust tax returns now.
Right.
Right? So there's definitely cost associated with it, and each individual circumstance is going to be different, but again, there's, depending on the size of the estate, the size of the asset that we're gifting, there's potentially millions of dollars of benefit in it.
Right. It's a risk management tool.